What if I told you this $400 phone quietly crushed phones twice its price, and nobody's talking about it? Let's see it in action. Its gaming performance is incredible.
Motorola Edge 70 Pro, 8 upgrades that actually matter. Let's go. First, its Pantone T blue color is vibrant and premium. Second, the 50-megapixel camera captures stunning detail. We took it to Delhi's Cotton Fest at night. We gamed on it. We pushed it hard. Here's what we found.
Upgrade 1, and this one's a big deal. UFS 4.1 storage and LPDDR5X RAM in 2026 at this price. Insane.
AnTuTu score, 21.56 lakh. That's a massive jump from last year's Edge 60 Pro. Fastest RAM and storage combo in this segment.
Reading articles while watching YouTube? Zero lag. App switching? Butter smooth. Daily performance? Sorted.
Upgrade 2, a 6.8-inch quad-curved AMOLED with bezels so thin, your eyes will forget the frame exists.
144 Hz for gaming, 120 Hz for everything else. Even in Delhi's brutal heat, outdoor visibility, no complaints whatsoever.
And here's a quirky thing. Netflix doesn't show HDR support in settings. But play an HDR title, the badge appears. HDR works. It's a bug, but it works in your favor. Upgrade 3, 6500 mAh silicon carbon battery. All day clicking photos, gaming, streaming. Still alive at midnight. Easily. 90-watt fast charging fills it in 45 minutes flat. And since it's PD charging, you can juice up your laptop with the same charger. NFC is here too. Tap your phone at any UPI terminal. Leave your wallet at home. That's the move. Upgrade 4, and the most exciting one. 50-megapixel main camera with Pantone validated colors. What does that mean? Skin tones that actually look human. Low light, AI-powered clarity kicks in. We zoomed into a watch in a dark photo and read the exact time. That level of detail at night is just not normal for this price.
NFC is here too. Tap your phone at any UPI terminal. Leave your wallet at home. That's the move.
And frame match? Game changer. Lock your pose, pass the phone, your friend just matches the frame. No more cropped heads. No more bad angles. Finally. Upgrade 5, 50-megapixel front camera with autofocus. Most phones fake the sharpness. This one actually tracks your face and locks it.
And it records 4K 60 FPS HDR video from the front camera. Vloggers, this front cam is genuinely worth something.
Upgrade 6, dual stereo Dolby Atmos speakers. Most phones give you an 80-20 split between speakers. This one, closer to 60-40.
The front-firing speaker is genuinely loud. Watching Youth on Netflix felt like a mini theater experience. And yes, the movie's a must-watch too. Upgrade 7, Hello UI on Android 16. The animations are noticeably more fluid than last year. Small thing, big feel. Moto AI reads your notification pile and gives you one clean summary. No more reading 12 marketing notifications from Swiggy to find the one that matters.
Dedicated AI key. Perplexity search built in. Image Studio turns your photo into a stylized avatar in seconds. It's genuinely useful, not just a gimmick.
Upgrade 8, IP68 plus IP69 rated. IP68 handles submersion. IP69 handles high-pressure water jets. Together, this phone laughs at rain. Military-grade drop protection. Corning Gorilla Glass 7 on the front. And it weighs only 184 grams. Light, tough, slim, that combo is rare. And the satin finish back? It's a first in smartphones. Not glass, not leather, not plastic. Something completely different, and it feels premium. All of this starts at $350 with bank discounts. Sale goes live April 29 on Flipkart. That's the price you're working with.
Now to be fair, no telephoto lens. No wireless charging. Motorola cut those to hit this price. That's the honest trade-off.
But everything else? Battery, display, speakers, cameras, software, build, all sorted. This is a genuinely solid all-rounder. Not perfect, but close.
Which upgrade actually surprised you the most? Drop it below. Like if this helped. And subscribe because we test phones so you don't waste money.